In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a camera movement effect to your video using CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab. Under the Video Effects, use the search bar and look for the camera movement effect. Once you find it, tap Add to apply it to your video. Drag the edges of the effect layer to match the video's duration. With the effect layer selected, customize it using the following sliders in the toolbar. Speed, adjust how fast the camera movement animates. Strength, set the intensity of the movement. Blur, control how much motion blur is added. Glow, add a glowing light effect to enhance the movement. Size, resize the frame to focus on specific part of the video. Once you're done customizing the effect, play back your video to see the camera movement. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your final video. And that's it! You've successfully added camera movement effect in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.
If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!